Hey, what's up, Metahero coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers, to Metahero price will pumps up 2.31%. As you can see, my friends, the Metahero price will increase now. So therefore, many congratulations, my brothers. But I have a second good news also for all of you, my friends. Let me explain now, but kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, the Metahero price will be increasing on 5th November. The very huge explosion, the very big pump, my friend, is coming soon. Because my brothers, experts predicate this coin, I also predicate this coin, and after a technical analysis we will better understand, my friends, to really there is a chance to Metahero price will increase now. Because my brothers, after Adam, every coin will pumps up, and especially in the start of month every coin holders are starting buying and investing more and more, because my brothers, they want to get a profit in this start of month. So my friends, especially after the 1st November, the price will slowly moving upward, but after 5th November, 100% they will take a very huge pump, my friend, and they will suddenly starting moving upward. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to Metahero price will more and more increasing. Here, as you can see the Metahero update, you can see here 627 billion, my friend. You can see the market cap and fully diluted market cap. You can see one I think is come into trillion and 2.81%, my friend. You can see they will moving upward. So the volume of last 24 hours, my friend, you can see here 35, my friends, billion million, and you can see 31%. This is also, my friend, decrease now. It's really bad news, my friend, but don't worry, I'm 100% sure they will again recover it and get a profit. All right, so if we check out the chart result, my friends, so this is very important for all of you. Kindly holder, please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. My friend, as you can see here, the resistance line is absolutely the red. As you can see, my friend, the red line is, you can see your loss, and the green is you can see profit. So if they will moving upward from resistance line, absolutely they will get a profit. So here, as you can see here, so many times, my friends, they will moving upward from resistance line, and you can see 1.33%, 35% they will get a profit. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends, to I hope this time also the price will increasing, and I hope, my friends, in upcoming time also the very huge explosion of Metahero is coming soon. So I hope they will make you a millionaire. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire at the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.